So equations of the circles. This is the standard equation of circle x minus h plus y minus k whole square is equals to r. H and k, these are the center of the circle. Okay, these are the coordinates of center of circle. R is the radius of the circle. Okay, so
Okay.
radius, it can be any real number, h and k, any real number. Like here we have x minus 2 plus y plus 1 whole square, right? So h
Yeah.
and k represent center of circle, r is the radius. So if we equate this equation with above equation, what is the center? These are center coordinates. Can you tell me the center coordinates by equating this with this and this with this?
-2 comma -1.
Uh,
Oh
Negative
wait, no,
2,
inside opposite.
yeah,
2
it's
comma
opposite.
-1.
Exactly, 2 comma negative 1, because here we have negative. So 2 comma negative 1, let me plot it here. X is positive 2, which is this, and y is negative 1. So this is my center, right? Right? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now
Yeah.
I can hear you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And radius is, just equate these two things to find radius.
Um, equate it to find radius.
Okay,
So
this,
r squared equals 9. Would it just be 3?
yes, radius will be 3. So if this is the center, I will just go 3 um, right to the center. So 1, 2, 3, which is this, up 3, this, and then left 3, this, and then 3 squares down. So basically, if I join these, I'll get my circle. Okay,
Yeah.
like this. And this is the radius. Okay,
Okay.
this is how we graph if we have the equation of circle, and this is the standard form. Okay, so by comparing the center and the radius, we can have the coordinates of centers and the radius, and we can plot it. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So here, can you tell me what is the center by comparing it with this equation? Center of this circle equation.
Uh, okay.
Yeah,
So center of would be 0,
yeah,
0,
very
5.
good. Yes, radius is 5 because r square is equals to 25, so r will be 5. Okay, that's great. So if we have, let's plot it in the same graph. Just, it's not tracing. Yeah. So center is 0, 0, which is this, right? And radius is 5. So I'll go 5 units. This is 3, 4, 5 here. 3, 4, 5 here. And then 3, 4, 5 here. Here, right? So if I just
Yeah.
connect all these points and draw a circle, this will be this is the circle, and this is the equation. X square plus y square is equals to 25. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm. Let's check this one. What is the center here?
Center would be 7 comma 9.
Good.
Radius would be
Would be,
uh,
yeah,
the
r
square root
square.
of 1. Wasn't that just 1?
Yes, just one. So 7 comma 9. So on graph, first you need to check this coordinates. First always plot center, and then just accordingly just whatever radius is, and you will get the circle, right?
Okay.
What is center here? Coordinates of center?
Center -497.
Yes, radius is 7. Good. Let me go down. What about this one?
Um, 0, comma -3, and then whatever the square root of 5 is.
Yes, square root of 5 is radius. Okay, great. So now we have given center and radius and we have to write the equation. So this is the standard equation of circle and we know that h and k are center, right? And r represent
Yeah.
radius. So we need to just plug these value over here and we'll get the equation. Can you tell me equation?
Equation is neg x minus 3 squared whole squared y minus 6 whole squared radius and then equals 4.
Yes, absolutely correct. Okay. Um, Try this one, part B.
Okay.
Yeah, equation.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So x plus 5 comma y,
Whole
x plus
square.
5 whole squared plus y radius would
Y what?
just be
Y what?
y minus 0, y plus 0. It doesn't matter, does
Y
it?
square, right?
Oh,
Square
yeah, y squared
equals
equal y squared equals 7.
yes 7 because if we square it we just get 7. Okay, right equation for this.
Mm, okay. So x plus 6 whole squared plus y plus 11 whole squared
Hmm.
square root of 14 equals square root of 14.
Yeah, which is 196. Okay. Okay, great. So here we have this graph. Using this we need to write the equation. So first can you tell me what is center coordinates here? The coordinates of center?
Center coordinates is
Yeah.
uh, center would be x plus 3 y minus 4.
X is negative 3, right? And y is positive 4, right?
uh,
Negative 3 comma
yeah,
positive 4. And what is radius?
radius is uh,
1, 2, 2 squares. So you can write
see.
2, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, now we have to write equation. So let's plug it here, h, k and r and we'll get the equation. Yeah, tell me equation.
equation is x
Hmm. X.
plus 3 whole squared
Yeah.
plus y minus 4 whole equal equals what? 4. So
Uh,
whatever 16. 16.
4, right?
Wouldn't it be 16? Oh, no, it would be 4. My bad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's 2 and radius square is 4. So, okay, so yeah. Now let's see if we have given equation, but if it is not in this form, like this is the standard form, y minus k whole square is equals to r square, and from here we can directly get our centers, coordinates, and then radius. But what if equation is not in this form? Then how to solve it? Suppose we have a equation which is let me take, let's say we have this, where is this, x square plus y square, yeah, minus 8x plus 4y plus 11 is equals to 0. Now if the question is asking us to give center coordinates, okay, and radius, so first we need to convert this equation into standard form, right? What is the standard form?
Yeah.
X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to radius square, right?
Yeah.
So let's convert it into that form, and which is basically we need to convert it into whole square format, right? Because we have whole square, right? So first just group the same variables. So x variable is this and this. So let's group it, x square minus 8x, okay? And then we
Yeah.
have plus other group is this y square and 4y, same variables. We are just making a group of same variables, okay? And I will
Okay.
just take this 11 other side, so this will become negative 11. Now what you need to do to convert it into whole square form, this is your b, whatever is the coefficient of x, take that and divide it by 2. So we have negative 8, if we divide it by 2 we will get and square it, okay? So if we square negative 8, we will get 64, and then we divide it by 4. So basically we will get 16 here, right?
Yeah.
And this side, what is the coefficient of y? Coefficient of y
Coefficient
is
of I is 4.
4. So we need to half it and square it. So which we will get 4 if we square it and then divide it by its, uh, okay. Now
Okay.
this is, we are doing this to convert it into whole square format. Now we will write this, which is x square minus 8x plus 16, okay? I'm adding this 16 here, which is this group, and then we have this, one second, this, which is y square plus 4y plus 4, okay,
Okay.
which is this y1. Now whatever we have added, what we have added extra here is 16, and this side we added 4. So we need to add it other side to make a balance, right?
Yeah.
So we have here negative 11, right? So I will add 16 and 4. Why? Because we have this 4 here and this 16 here, right? So to make a
Yes.
balance I added this. Did you understand this, why I'm adding?
Yeah.
Okay. Now this one, if you remember that a plus b whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right?
Yeah.
So this is a square, this is 2ab, and this is b square. So a is x and b square is 16, so that means b is going to be 4. And here we have a negative sign, so it's negative 4 square. And this side we have y, this is positive, so plus 4. 4 is 2 square, right? So y plus 2 whole square is equals to, if we solve this, 16 plus 4 and then we subtract 11, we'll get 9. Now this is in the standard form, right? This is the
Yeah.
standard form. So what is the center here? Center is 4 and negative 2 and radius is 3, right? Okay. What we did first, we grouped the same terms, x, here we have x terms, and then we grouped y terms, right? We have taken the constant
Yeah.
other side. Then we have to take the coefficient of x and y divided by 2 and square the whole thingy. Whatever we get, we have to add it both side. Like if I had added 16 this side also. Then just take a, and this number 16 is square of 4. So take 4. If this is negative, the sign will be negative. If this term is positive, this will be positive. Now this is the standard form of circle. Did you understand it? Look at it and ask me if you have any question. It's very important. Make sure you understand. If you don't, like, you should tell me.
Um. So a plus b squared, a squared plus squared minus 8x plus 1 negative 8 over 2 equals 16. Oh, so you have to do the quadratic thing.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
forgot
That's
what it was called.
completing the square.
Yeah.
Did you get it? Let's see some more question, okay?
Yeah.
Let's see some more questions. So I will take this question. Yeah. So we have this question, x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0. Okay, we have to convert it into circle equation. Okay, now,
Yeah.
so first step is grouping the same variable x square and negative 8x. Okay, okay, so this will give you x square minus 8x, then plus the other group is this y square and 2y. These are the same variables, right?
Yeah.
So I will put the same color so you understand. Okay, then we have negative 8 this side. So if we move it other side, this will become positive 8. Okay, what we need
Okay.
to check now? Coefficient of x and y. So coefficient of x is negative 8. We need to divide it by 2 and square. So if you do this, you will get 16. We just did it. And then if you square this 2 over 2 and square it, you will get 1, right?
Yeah.
So this coefficient we have to take divided by 2 and square whole thingy. And whatever you get, you need to add it both side. So we have x square minus 8x plus 16. Because x coefficient we has this x coefficient we has given us this value, so we'll add it this side. And y coefficient has 1, so y square plus 2y plus 1. Let me change this color. Now we need to add what we have added extra here is 1, and this side we added 16. So same thing we will add this side. So we have 8 and then this 16 plus 1, okay, to make a balance.
Okay.
So this, if you convert it into whole square form, this will become x minus 16 is square of 4, right? And
Yeah.
then y, 1 square of 1 is just 1, so y plus 1 whole square. If this number is negative, you need to write here negative. If this is positive, this will be positive, okay? So 8
Okay.
plus 9, 9 plus 16 is 25. So the radius is 5, and the coordinates of center are 4 and negative 1, right? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Now I'll give you this question. Okay, so next question is this x square, or I think I should give you. Okay. Mm, okay, this x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y and is equals to minus 3 is equals to 0. Yeah, try this. What is the first step? I'll write here. You just need to save. Okay, steps. Yes, Jay, are you there?
Oh, yeah. Sorry, my mic stick was up. Yeah,
Okay.
sure. So the first step is to uh oh, I think we do the like we have to put them like together. So like x
Mhm.
squared minus 6x.
Yeah,
And then it doesn't matter where the minus 3 goes, right?
yeah, it doesn't.
Plus y squared minus 4y
Is equals to
minus
3
3.
or minus 3. Yeah. Then,
Yeah. Then
hmm, we have to convert it into whole square form. So we need to do completing the square.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next step.
So I would see what multiplies to make 0 and adds to negative 6.
Yeah, or just divide this by 2 and square it, or you can do other way.
What? Divided by 2 and squared. Wait, so what multiplies to 0 and adds to 6? 6 and 0, I guess. So x minus 6, x.
No, you are splitting the middle term. That's not what we
Uh,
want. Um, what we want is need to convert it into whole square formula. So what is the coefficient
okay.
of x here?
The coefficient to x is
Yeah.
6, negative 6.
Yes, so divided by 2 and then we have to do whole square, okay? So if we do this 36 over 4, which is 9, right? And
Yeah.
what is the coefficient of y?
uh,
Yeah, coefficient of y is,
Coefficient of y is 4, negative 4.
yes. So what we need to do here?
We need to minus 4 over 2
And then
equals, let me
whole square.
square, and then we get that equals whole square.
Yes. So these
Yeah.
are the two numbers which we need to add. 9 we will add here and 4 will go here. So I will write x square minus 6x plus 9, okay,
Yeah.
plus y square minus 4y plus 4. And we need to add the same numbers, this 9 and this 4, this side, okay. So here we have 3, 9 and 4, okay. Can you
Okay.
tell me this in whole number format? It will be x minus what whole square?
Uh, X minus. So it'd be X minus what? Positive 9. It's 3
Yes, good. And this will be y
plus
minus,
2? No. Wait, yeah.
yeah, it is 2. Why I'm putting minus? Because this number is minus. If here we have a positive sign, we'll write here positive, right? And now we'll just
Yeah.
add this. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 3. Uh, so we will get this side 16, okay? So this is how we can convert. This is a general form into standard form. Clear? Is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this
Wait,
is
actually, no. How'd you get the 3 plus 9 plus 4?
3 because we have added here 9 and 4, which is extra, right? So we have
Yeah.
to add it other side to make a balance. 3 was already there in the question. We have,
Okay.
because we just had these two terms. We have added 9 and 4, right?
Yeah.
So we add both side, right, to make a balance. That's why. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So center is 3 and 2 and radius is 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this one. You have to try this. X square plus y square minus 4x is equals to 13. This is general form of circle. You need to convert it into standard form of circle.
Okay.
Yeah.
So x squared plus y2 minus 4x equals 13. So
Hmm.
x squared minus 4x equals,
Plus
no,
y
no,
square is also there.
plus y squared equals 13. So then I get minus 4x over 2.
4 over 2, not x.
Oh yeah, minus 4 over 2 whole squared plus, I guess 0 over 2 whole squared, which is still just 0,
Yeah, which is
equals
just 0.
13.
Exactly. So x square minus 4x. What should I add here? How much is this? Negative 4 over 2 whole square.
Negative 4 over 2 squared is equal to,
If you divide this, you get negative 2 and square it, you get positive 4, right? Isn't it?
it is,
Hmm. Yeah.
yeah,
What should I write here now?
so
X square minus 4x
x
then
squared minus 4x equals 4. No,
plus
wait,
4.
plus 4.
You
So
need to
then what
add this.
multiplies, yeah,
What about
plus
this?
y squared equals 13 plus 4?
Very good. Hmm. Convert it into whole square form.
It's
Yeah.
uh whole square form would be x minus 2
Yes. 2.
plus y squared equals 17.
Good. So what are the coordinates of center?
Center center is 2,
Hmm.
0, 7.
Good. Radius is, yeah,
The square root of 17, right? Or would it just be 17?
square root of 17.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. Okay, let's see one more. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y minus 2 is equals to 0. Yeah, let's do it. Yes, Jay, tell me.
Yeah, so it's x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y minus 2 equals 0. So we get x squared minus 6x minus 2, or you could just do that second. So plus y squared minus 10y minus 2 equals 0.
Or we can take two other side, okay?
Okay,
Hmm. Now,
okay. So x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 10y equals 2. So we do minus 6x over 2. We get x squared minus 6 minus what? 3, 9. X squared minus 9. X squared minus 6x plus 9
yes, plus 9.
plus 9
And then,
plus 9 equals uh, plus what? Y squared minus 10y plus 25
yes,
equals 2. Equals 2 plus 9 plus 25.
very good. Yeah,
Uh, so,
yeah, tell me, Jay,
yeah.
what next?
So x minus 3 plus y squared minus 5.
Y minus 5 whole square, right?
Y minus 5, yeah.
And this, if we add this, we'll get 36, right?
Yeah.
So, coordinates of center is,
Uh, C divided by C.
no,
So what?
Oh my
What?
God.
What is C divided by C? I'm
Uh,
confused.
that's for center, and this is a bracket, parenthesis, and that's just
Oh,
okay.
I'm
So,
sorry. Your C's and parentheses look very similar. Actually, I
yeah,
think everyone's does.
okay. Now this one is good. So, yeah, coordinates of center are
Oh, so center would be x minus 3 squared
no center
plus.
coordinates.
Oh, 36.
That's
Or
radius.
would it just be 6? It'd just be
That's
6.
radius. Yeah, I'm asking center coordinates. Okay. Radius is 6, yeah.
So center coordinates would be 3, 5.
Yes, 3, 5. Good. Okay, that's great. Now let's see this question. Okay. So, let's say we don't have center or radius and we just have some points which are passing through the circle circumference, and we have to write equation of the circle. Suppose this is the circle and these are the points, these 3 points are on the circumference, and we have to write the equation. Okay,
Yeah,
so the equation of circle is this, we know, and here x and y, these are the points, right, which are passing
yeah,
through the circle. So basically what we can do, we can make multiple equation by putting these x and y values here. So yeah, I will write here x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to radius square. So h and k, these are center coordinates, which we don't have. So these are just 3 points which are passing through the circle. Okay, so these points we need to plug here at place of x and y. Okay,
yeah.
so here we have three equation by plugging each values, like here x y x y x y, and we got three equation. Okay,
Okay.
now if we, because they all are equals to r square, same thing, so we can equate these two or two, right?
Yeah,
We can set equation 1 and 2 equal. So if we set these two equations equal, we know this formula a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Using this we can
yeah,
expand each of these, right, whole squares, right?
yeah,
Okay, so if we apply this, a square, 8 square is 64, then 8 times 2 16 h, then b square, we expand it. Both side we have h square and k square, so we can cancel this, right? And then we are
yeah,
left with this part and this part. Now if we just subtract these numbers, we will get 32 here, and 28 minus 12, here we get 16, and 32 minus 16 is again 16. So if we divide whole equation by 16, this is what we have. We cannot simplify it further, right?
yeah,
We can number it as 1. uh, Obviously we didn't get any of the variable h or k. Now what we will do, we will set, first we set these two equation equal, and this is what we got after setting these two equation equals, right?
yeah,
A relation between h and k. Now we will set equation 2 equals to 3. If we set 2 and 3 equals, this is what we have. Again we will use this formula a plus b whole square. Let me write here a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And
okay,
after using this formula, this is what we get. We can cancel h square k square because this is both side, and then we subtract this with this, which gives us 20h, and this with this, which is 12k, and this and this, if we just move it other side, we will get this. Now we have this second equation, which we got by setting last two equation equals. So
Okay.
these are the two equations that we have, this and this. And if we just do elimination method and solve these system of equations, what I did is this was h and k. So the this one, the second equation has 5. So that's why I'm multiplying first equation with 5. So which gives me this, and I can cancel this. 5 minus 3 2, and 28 minus 10 18. And if I divide both side by 2, I get 9, right?
Yeah.
So I have got 1k. If I substitute it in here, I will get h, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if I substitute it here, I will get h, which is 11. So we have h and k. If I substitute these two values in any of the equation, let's say in first one I substitute at place of h negative 11 and k is 9, this will give me r square, right?
Yeah.
Now, after solving it, see, this is negative negative 11 positive. So 11 minus 8, 3. Then 14 minus 9, 5. So 3 square is
Yeah.
9. 5 square is 25. If we add it, we get 34 equals r square. So r will be square root of 34. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, um, this is, if you equate it with this is equation of the circle, right? X minus h square,
Yeah.
here we have y minus k square, here we have r square is 34. So we this is now in standard form, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So from here we can see, even if we don't have any of like if we, even if we don't have center coordinates or radius, still we can write the equation of the circle, right? If we have just 3
Yeah.
points which are passing through the circle, it should be passing through the circle only then. So the it is just we need to do a lot of substitution and calculation, but we'll get the equation, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So 1 second, let me give you some more. Okay, so x square plus y square, and what should I write? Yeah, minus 6x minus 6y plus 14 is equals to 0. Yeah, try this.
Um. Okay. So x squared minus 6x minus 6x
Hmm.
plus actually no, x squared minus 6x plus
Hmm.
y squared minus 6y plus 14 equals 0.
Is equals to negative 14. Okay, if you take it other side, that will be better. Now, yes, Jay.
Yeah. Give me a second. So, um, so we would do negative 6 over 2 whole squared, so we just get x squared minus 3. So you just get x minus 3 whole squared
Oh, yeah.
plus y minus uh, also 3 whole squared. And
Very good.
then we just get 9. So negative 14 plus 3, and then we get,
I mean, plus 9, 9, right? We have to add 9
yeah,
because
that's,
this was 9.
I thought it was 9, but then you wrote down 3,
Yeah,
so I
yeah.
just thought I did something
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah.
Okay, so then, so we'd get 3, comma 3, and then radius would just be 4.
4.
Yeah.
See, if you solve it, you'll get 5 here, right?
Oh, yeah,
Yeah. So basically, radius will be square root 5, right?
yeah,
Because according to the equation, here we have r square. So r square, if we equate it with 5, r will be square root 5, right? Okay.
yeah,
Okay, good. Square plus y square negative 20x minus 18y plus 120 is equals to 0. So, okay, let's take this one now. Here we again, first we will group same variable. We have y square negative 18y is equals to negative 120. Okay,
okay,
now negative coefficient of x is negative 20. We divide it by 2 and square it. So which will give us negative 10 square, which is 100. This side we have negative 18 over 2 whole square because the coefficient is this. And if we do this square, 9 negative 9 square, which is 81, right? So we need
yeah,
to add this over here, 100 this side and 81 here, and both this side. So we have x square minus 20x plus 100, and then we have y square minus 18y plus 81 is equals to negative 120. This is negative, and then we add 81 and 100, these two here. And then um, what we need to do, x minus, because here we have minus, and this is square of what number is 100, so which is 10. So x minus 10 whole square, then we have plus,
yeah,
and then y minus, we know 9 times 9 is 81, so here we can write 9, okay,
okay,
which is 81. And then if we simplify this, this will be 181 minus 120, which is going to give me, let me see, 181 and 120. So I will get 61. Okay. So
yeah,
the center coordinates are 10 and 9. We need to change the sign. And what will be radius? Radius is
radius would be 61 square root.
very good, square root. Yeah. So when you have given this number without square root, then you need to write here with square root. Suppose here we have square root 61, then answer will be just 61, right?
Okay,
Hmm. So, okay. Now what if we have, uh, yeah, this is a very important question. So far we have just done, like here you can see x square and y square, right? What if there is a constant, let's say there is 4 or any number? And in such cases, how to do that? Let's see. 4x square plus 4y square, 12x plus 16y plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay. So first we
Yeah.
pair same variable 12x, and then we have here 4y square and 16y, and then we take 9 other side, so it become negative. Now if you
Okay.
take 4 common, because we can see we can take 4 common here, right? So if I take 4
Yeah.
common, this will become x square plus 3x. Again, if I take 4 common here, this will become y square plus 4y is equals to negative 9. So why I have taken 4 common? Because it we have common factor here, and now it will be without any coefficient, my variables. So again I will take this. This is 3 over 2 whole square, which is going to give me 9 over 4. Here we have 4 over 2 whole square, which is just 4. Okay.
Okay.
So now what we have here is 4 and x square plus 3x. We need to add 9 fourth here, and this side we need to add 4. Y square plus 4 4 is equals to negative 9. We will add 9 fourth and 4, right? These two.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, a very important point here. If I just add 9 fourth, that will be wrong. Why? Because if you see there is a 4 outside, right? So 4 is going to
Yeah.
get multiplied by 9 fourth. So I need to multiply this 9 fourth with 4. Okay. And this 4 with this 4. Okay.
Okay.
Are you getting why I'm multiplying other side?
Uh. Yeah.
Yeah. So this 4 will cancel out. So we have just 9 plus 16. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, so what we have here, okay. Also, this side, if you see, um, this is going to be 4. Okay. Let's first do the easy part. This one is easy part, right? This will be just 4y plus
Yeah.
2 whole square, right? Because we know this. And the other part, this will be 4 x plus 9 is, square of 3 is 9 and square of 2 is 4. So 3 over 2 whole square plus, and if you solve this part, we will get here, if we solve it, let me see, negative 9 plus 9 and 16. So this is going to be just 16. Okay. And this is our
Okay.
equation. We can divide both side by 4, because here we have 4 4 and 16. Okay. Or we can leave it like this.
Okay.
Yeah, did you understand it?
Yeah.
Any question?
Nope.
Okay, then bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.